Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. If you're looking for a way to make a man feel an unstoppable urge to love, commit, and stay devoted to you for life, then you're in for something truly fascinating. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a secret that could completely change the way men see you, think about you, and feel about you. It's something so powerful that it can create an unbreakable bond between you and the man you love, even if you feel like he's slipping away right now. And the craziest part? Most women have no idea that this secret even exists. It's all based on a little-known male psychological trigger called a hero instinct, and it's the key to unlocking a man's deepest desires and devotion. Once you understand how it works, you'll have the ability to naturally attract, keep, and inspire the kind of love that most women only dream about. So stay with me until the end, because I'm going to break down how this works, why it's so effective, and how you can start using it in your own life to create a love that lasts. Most women believe that men are primarily driven by attraction, chemistry, or even emotional connection. But what if I told you that there's something even deeper, something that operates on a primal level, influencing every decision a man makes in his relationships? This instinct is so powerful that when triggered correctly, it makes a man see you as the most important person in his life. And the best part? He won't even realize why he's feeling this way. It'll just happen naturally. You might be wondering how this works. The truth is, men have an innate drive to feel like a hero. Not in the sense of saving people from burning buildings, but in the sense of feeling needed, appreciated, and important in the life of the woman they love. When a man feels like he can be your protector, your supporter, and your source of strength, it activates something deep within him. This is what makes him want to commit fully and devote himself to you in ways you never thought possible. Now, let's talk about why most relationships struggle. Many women unknowingly suppress this instinct in men by being too independent or by not allowing their partner to step into this role. In today's world, women are strong, capable, and self-sufficient, which is amazing. But if a man doesn't feel like he plays a meaningful role in your life, he may start to drift away, feeling like something is missing. This isn't about pretending to be weak or needy. It's about making a man feel like he's valuable and irreplaceable in your world. The secret to making this work is understanding the signals that trigger this response. These signals are simple, yet incredibly effective in creating a powerful emotional connection. One of the easiest ways to activate the hero instinct is through appreciation. When you show genuine gratitude for things he does, no matter how small, it reinforces his desire to be there for you. A simple thank you or a compliment about how much you admire something he's done can create a deep sense of fulfillment in his heart. Another powerful trigger is allowing him to solve problems for you. Men love to feel like they can provide solutions and make your life easier. When you seek his advice, ask for his help, or let him take the lead in certain situations, it taps into his natural desire to be your hero. This doesn't mean you should play helpless. Far from it. Instead, it's about recognizing and encouraging his role as someone who can add value to your life. One woman who used this technique shared her experience with me. She had been in a relationship where everything felt like it was falling apart. Her boyfriend had become distant, unresponsive, and she feared he was losing interest. She tried everything, talking about her feelings, giving him space, even trying to be the cool girlfriend who didn't pressure him. Nothing worked. That was until she started applying the hero instinct techniques. Instead of chasing him for attention, she shifted her approach. She made small changes in how she interacted with him, expressing appreciation more often, seeking his help in ways that made him feel valued, and allowing him to take the lead in moments where she would usually try to control things. Within weeks, his entire attitude changed. He became more engaged, more affectionate, and even started making plans for their future. The reason this worked is because it wasn't about manipulating him or playing games. It was about understanding how men are wired and using that knowledge to build a deeper connection. When a man feels like he's truly needed, his emotional bond with you strengthens naturally. He doesn't just want to be with you. He feels compelled to stay, to protect, and to love you with everything he has. This program, his secret obsession, goes into even greater detail on exactly how to use these triggers in different situations. It teaches you the exact words, phrases, and actions that activate this powerful instinct in men. And what makes it so effective is that it works no matter where you are in your relationship. Whether you're trying to attract a new man, rekindle the spark with your current partner, or save a struggling relationship, the techniques in this program are designed to create lasting results. Many women who have used these strategies report seeing almost immediate changes in their relationships. They notice that their partner starts paying more attention, making more effort, and expressing deeper feelings of love and commitment. And the best part? This works completely under the radar. He won't even realize what's happening. He'll just feel an irresistible pull towards you that he can't explain. One thing I want to make clear is that this isn't about changing who you are or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about enhancing the connection you already have and making it stronger than ever. When you understand how the hero instinct works, you're not just guessing what makes a man commit. You're tapping into a biological drive that's already inside him. Imagine what it would feel like to have a man who is completely devoted to you. A man who sees you as his one true love, who cherishes and protects you, and who can't imagine his life without you. That's the power of this secret. And the good news is, it's something you can start using right now. If you're ready to take your love life to the next level and finally understand what makes men commit on a deep emotional level, his secret obsession is the key. This isn't just another relationship guide filled with generic advice. It's a step-by-step system designed to give you real, lasting results. So if you've ever felt like you've done everything right, but still struggle to get the love and commitment you deserve, this might be the missing piece. I highly recommend checking it out and seeing for yourself how powerful these techniques can be. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Review Scout for more deep insights on relationships, psychology, and attraction. And if you're ready to unlock the power of his secret obsession, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.